Dear Diary, I've saved all my energy just for this special occasion. Now that I finally have Gur out of my grasp, and I don't have to deal with that as an annoying stuff, I found myself rather relaxed and luxurious. I mean, who would not enjoy having their own special little house in the orbit of Earth? That's crap. I'm not putting that in my diary. I don't know. I feel like I should go back to Earth, even though I don't want to deal with Gur's bullcrap. It still beats living on this giant mansion garden out in the middle of space with a bunch of errors. I have to sneeze, I think. Maybe not. Okay. I wish there was something else I could do besides just stand here in my house and play with a bunch of errors and footballs and cameras that are taking random pictures and messed up screens. One of my friends, my pen pal, did send me a computer, whatever computer is. And Gur tells me that I have fans wanting me to do some sort of series on YouTube. Cats. Do I really want to do this? Do I really want to play games or whatever Gur wants me to do? Do I? Do I honestly? Screw it. First, I'm just gonna sit here and gaze at the stars. Okay, stargazing is boring. Video game time. Let's just get on and boot up my computer. If I could just sit down. Alright, let's start it up. But what should I play? Hold on, I'm getting a text on my phone. It's Gur again. Master, please help me. Do you remember Timmeh? Spelt Timmeh. Whatever, Gur. I don't understand your logic. Do you remember Timmeh from Volcano Island? Huh? Timmy from Volcano Island. Me and his are stuck. Me and him is stuck in Kamek realm. Send help right at away. Girl, I hate your spelling. He says he's stuck in some sort of comic book, and I really don't believe him. He's probably taken more of those mushrooms. There was something he wanted me to play. I need to go through my old texts. Let's see. When did he send this? 2 years ago. Master, you shall play No Man High. No Man High. I'll look and go through Steam and see if I have a game called No Man High. There's a No Man's Sky. Maybe he's talking about that. I'll boot it up and see what it is. Okay, guys. I'm here. And I'm going to turn down the volume. Because this game is really, really loud for some reason. Okay, Gur told me how to do a proper introduction, so I guess, hey guys, Zim here. I'm playing No Man's Sky. Everyone knows what that means. So, I guess I'm supposed to be doing something? I played this game for a little bit. I've been playing it for about 20 minutes now, but I got so lost in such the beauty of a game. So much beauty in this game, yet so boring this game is. I got lost in how beautiful it looks and I forgot to start recording. So I guess what we're going to do now is get some carbon. So Gert told me this game is kind of like space Minecraft. I don't even know what Minecraft is. This game's so boring. All I've done so far is just mine rocks, and that's basically it. And there's like these enemies that... Ow! Ow! Ah, jeez. Need to avoid those rock things. So I'm going to be arriving in 53 seconds, about 50 seconds. If I hurry up, maybe I can get there faster. Give me that iron. Give me that carbon. Gur said this game should be right up my alley, but so far it's really just kind of bleh. Oh, cool. How do you like that? Sweet, an antenna. It's like Mario. What do I do? Okay. The game decided to go ape crap. How nice to know. An advanced life form has been detected. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna go to that waypoint. I think I'm just gonna explore my own personal journey. Because honestly, what else can you do in this game? Grave. Arrive in 1 hour. What? Oh, give me that plutonium. Plutonium. Whatever. I don't know, Pluto. I feel like that's a Disney character or something. Oh, I'm sorry, are you out of breath? Look at those colorful rocks. Oh, it's just iron. How boring. Thermal protection falling. I have a jetpack? That's awesome! I'm still gonna kill your family, though. Die. Mordite? More like moron. Oh, gosh. Someone get PETA on the line, or whatever that earth thing is called. This game is all about torturing animals. What planet are we on? Voisoteria? What is this, Star Wars or something? Voisoteria? That's a weird name for a planet. Detritum. Detritum. Detritium. I don't know, but we have some new monsters. God, this game is boring. Oh, cool, Squidward. Hey, remember Volcano Island? Oh, God! How do you feel now? SpongeBob told me everything I need to know about you. That thing walked like an idiot. What is this? Jurassic Park? Haha, I love that movie. Oh, I'm arriving there in 1 minute. Yeah, you told me that already. Oh God, I don't know what that scream was, but it startled me. Is anything interesting gonna happen? Where are all the explosions and car crashes and beating up hookers and square people and square pigs, and where are all the shooting and the wartime and the fun? Where is it? Where's the fun in this game? Gert told me this was like some big breakthrough in gaming. Really, all I'm seeing is just boring gameplay and blah everything. I don't care if that's a white point, I'm not going to it. I guess I should have listened to the reviewers when they said he would get bored within 10 minutes. I've been playing this for about 40 and I'm already bored out of my mind. I wish I could use this mining tool to shoot myself in the head. I'm dying anyway. Oh well. I'm gonna end off this video pretty soon anyway. It's just so boring. I'm arriving in 40 seconds. As soon as I get there, I'm ending this video off because, honestly, I don't even care anymore. What does that mean? Am I gonna die or something? Ah, it's getting really hot in my room. Honestly, I'd rather be stargazing than doing this stupid crap. Is that a spaceship? I guess it is a spaceship, but will we know? Nope, we will not know until the next episode of Zim Plays, which will definitely not be this boring game. Anyway guys, if you guys enjoyed, I guess I'm supposed to do an outro, and Gur sent me a note on how to do outros. It goes as follows. Me. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video of Zim Plays, which will not be No Man's Sky, because this is so boring that I literally want to teleport myself to a new galaxy and grow old and die. That's how boring this game is. If I had to rate this game, I would give it, out of just a random rating, I would give it 2 powdered vinyl disposable gloves, latex free, out of 10. That's my rating, guys. If you guys enjoyed, you know what to do. Goodbye. The end. Thanks.